Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. This video is a street style egg fried rice. It's very easy to make, very quick. It won't take you much time. All you need is a very few ingredients, like if you have some day-old rice. This rice I had cooked it with frozen vegetables. This is the leftover that I had. And then you would need soy sauce, garam masala, paprika powder, crushed black pepper, ghee, eggs and salt as needed. Now this is not spicy, but it does have a bit of a kick which adds to the flavor. Let's get into the video. Step 1. Take 4 eggs, beat them up nicely and keep aside. Step 2. Take your rice, put it into a pot. Put your flame on medium, and once the rice is slightly warmed up, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and give it a good stir. Take 1 teaspoon of garam masala, add it to the rice, and half a teaspoon of paprika. I've also added 1.5 tablespoons of black crushed pepper as well. Then give it a good stir. I've added 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. I'm adding ghee to this to give it a bit more of flavor, and again give it all a good stir. Now I'm taking half of the rice out and putting it aside so I can cook my eggs, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of ghee so the egg doesn't stick to the pot, and I'm slightly scrambling them. You don't want the eggs to cook all the way through. You want it to be semi-runny, and then you want to add the remaining rice back into the pot. At this point, make sure that the flame is off and you're mixing everything up together. Put the lid back on and leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes. And it is now ready to serve. I do hope you have enjoyed this. This is very tasty if you have it with a bit of coconut chutney or pickle or ketchup, whichever you prefer. I do hope you will make this, and if you do, kindly tag us to this and enjoy.